So today I'm just giving you a quick tip on how to build the habit of learning new things. A lot of us have a ton of things that we feel like we should be doing or that we would like to do or learn. And one of the biggest problems is we just don't have the time in our week to fit those things in. And the big problem with this is a lot of the time when people are looking at skill acquisition and learning, they look at what is most efficient in learning a new skill. So what's the best amount of time to spend per day practicing so that you learn the skill most quickly, and this might be 15 minutes, 1 hour, or something like that. And the big problem is just while it may be the most efficient in terms of what you're going to actually be able to give and what you're going to be able to contribute to this, it doesn't always match up. Our weeks are usually pretty full, and we definitely can't find a spare 15 minutes a day to devote to something that is brand new and actually we may or may not be on board with yet anyway. So what I'm going to recommend you do is this. You probably won't be able to find 15 minutes in your day to do something new, but it's probably a little more reasonable to suggest you might be able to find 30 seconds to a minute. And all you're going to do is, once you've found a spot that you think each day you could use this same spot to do a minute's work or 30 seconds work, you just set a timer on your phone, and for that minute you're just going to do absolutely nothing, and you're going to do nothing every day for 1 minute until you reach a point that actually you've built that in as a habit. You can now comfortably say every single day I will definitely be able to devote 1 minute to doing nothing at this time. What that means is when something new does come along, you can start filling that minute with that specific task. If it's a 15-minute flexibility program, you do 1 minute a day, and after 2 weeks, you've covered the whole program. You will improve, probably not as fast as if you spent the 15 minutes a day as was recommended, but over time, then you get into the habit of just working on this flexibility exercise. And if you start to see the results and you start to get an emotional attachment, like we've talked in previous videos, you might find that suddenly it's easier to look at taking some other things out of your schedule and replacing that time with the flexibility time. The bonus of having done nothing for such a long time previously is once you get serious with that flexibility program and put it somewhere else, you're still going to go back to just doing nothing, or you're going to replace it with whatever the next thing is. You're always going to have that 1 minute for integrating new things, and that just gives you 1 minute a day where you can decide, all right, is this something that I want to do? Is it for me? Is it something I want to learn? And it means you're going to be consistent and see results. While they might not be the fastest results, the results that you can stick at for a longer time are always going to be better than the ones that you tried for maybe a month and gave up. So that's the exercise for today. Let me know if you've got any questions or comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.